Alright, welcome back. My man, you know what? I just waiting for the storm or raining for today. I am now in water pool or swimming pool in Banda Aceh, Group Aceh nowadays. I just informed my friend, his name is Asman Barawas.
Hello guys.
You know that? And then his name is my friend either, his cousin. And then I have either brother, you know what? Her brother is Isaac Barawas. No, I just waiting for rainy season, you know what? I just, man, it's very, very difficult. A lot of people came here every day. Then want to do something? Yes, please.
I will see.
You know what? You know what, man? You know, a lot of people came here. You know what? I'm gonna support him. You know what? I want to help him to like speak like in languages or speak like many speaker, native speaker whole world. You know what? His name like from North Carolina. He's from Saudi Arabia. You know what? Egypt, the Middle East. He's most handsome man in my country around the world. Most people handsome man in my city now. I just waiting for the rain season nowadays, but today a lot of people came here just waiting for that. And then after that, I'm going to get the hell out of here, and then looking for a new experience, or I'm gonna to record a lot of video, and then I will upload in YouTube channel and on YouTube, Facebook either. Well, maybe next time I would like to give you some motivation or some listen music or some tricks, some tips how to learn many languages or how to learn English either as good as foreigner. But this is very stand for me. I would like to invite you to see my beautiful country. I mean, to see beautiful city in Banda Aceh. This is very nice city, man. Alright, don't forget to come my country. I will waiting for you here. I would invite many people to come in my country because I'm translator. That's what I am. Hola, hasta luego, amigo.